Here we've got a 2016 Ford F-150 long box. It's a one owner, clean AutoCheck history, no accidents, and full factory warranty. It's got 20-inch wheels. The tires are like brand new. It's a 302A package, Sync 3, heated seats, rear view camera. It's also got the dual panel moonroof and the center console between the front seats. Come check it out today. 201 Ford Drive, Mooresville, Indiana.